How to make image transparent in Canva. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make image transparent in the Canva. So without further ado, let's get started. So start by logging in to the Canva from your preferred web browser. And once you are inside, simply open an existing design or create a new one with a custom dimension. And after that, you can simply click on Upload tab to upload your image or use the Photo tab for stock image. And once you have located the image, simply drag that image on your canvas. Once you have dragged the image, simply tap on the Edit button shown in the upper side of that image. And after clicking on that, a menu will pop up from the side. From there, you have to simply tap on the background remover option. And after that, your image will be transparent. And if you want to download this image, you simply have to tap on the share button, and from the pop-up menu that comes up, you have to simply tap on download. And yeah, that's it. That's how you can make image transparent in Canva. If you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.